Hello students, welcome to our digital learning with SAFCO Academy, and today in chapter 7 we are going to learn about body immunity. In introduction, we will know the meaning of immunity. Immunity is the ability of body to defend itself against disease, and infections in our body are caused by pathogens. Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms that infect human body and cause disease. They include fungi, bacteria, virus, and parasites. The human body fights against pathogens that cause disease by using immune system. The immune system physical barriers include mucus, skin, and white blood cells. They work together to protect our body. The human body has two types of immunity, namely natural and acquired. Immunity. Natural immunity is the first-line body defense against pathogens such as skin, mucus, and earwax. Prevent pathogens from entering our body. Acquired immunity is the immunity that unborn child receives from their mother via placenta and breastfeeding. Another form of acquired immunity is that a person gets after being infected with a particular disease. Example, a person infected with malaria. In meantime, the body develops immunity against malaria. Acquired immunity can be induced through vaccinations. Vaccines activate white blood cells to fight against disease. Therefore, it is important to vaccinate children. Also, adults have to be vaccinated, and children over 5 years to develop immune against disease. And now, let's look on how we can enhance our body immunity. First, we should eat balanced diet. Nutrients from all types of food provide our body with enough strength to improve our immunity. Failure to take balanced diet, our body becomes weak and easily affected by disease. Second, it is living in a clean and a safe environment. Prevent us from taking contaminated water, food, and becoming infected. Dirty environment provides breeding sites for pathogens. Thus, we should clean our environment to strengthen our immunity. Thirdly, it is getting enough sleep. Sleeping is good for your health. Lack of sleep weakens immune system. Fourth, it is using drugs or medication properly. Drugs assist to kill pathogens. Therefore, they assist our body to eliminate pathogens. We should use medicine as directed by doctor because overusing of certain medication weaken our immune system. Fifth, it is drinking enough water. Water is required for proper functioning of our body. It regulates our body temperature, removes toxins and waste products. Therefore, it is important to drink clean and safe water to strengthen our immunity. Sixth, it is doing enough exercise. Physical exercise keeps our body fit and strengthen our immunity. Thus, failure to do exercise weakens our immune. And lastly, it is avoiding irresponsible behavior. Avoiding using drugs, alcohol, and cosmetics. They weaken our immune. When a person has used them for a long time,